that any of the proceeds from the organised crime that's been going on by alleged individual pro-Republicans is not finding its way to the political project. And I don't say that lightly.
Sorry.
Okay.
Question, please. Thank you. Question. Thank you.
I've been labelled certain things now by people who don't like what I'm saying.
We're way over time.
And the situation has always been one of denial, denial, attack, attack. I've just been called a gurrier by Deputy McLaughlin. And that is the type of intimidation,
that sort of language,
intimidation that people engage in when they're challenged. When they're challenged. And remember,
sorry, would you put your question, Deputy? Would you stay quiet, Deputy? Thank you.
If I could put it to you,
Now, I have differences of opinion with you on many matters, but I've never descended to the level of what you've just been called from the far side. While we might differ and argue in our politics, we don't have to descend to that level. And I think it is fair to say that the culture of intimidation and fear that has been generated in many cases speaks for itself. I think it is noteworthy to